slime lane, I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? IRV Stuff back here once again. Today we're going to be taking a look at these glow-in-the-dark Yeezy 350 V2s. These were released, I don't even know when, a long time ago at this point. Thinking like 8-9 months ago, something like that. Sometime in 2019, I just forgot when. One of my boys wanted a pair, so told him I got him. So yeah, these are from a site that I reviewed a couple times actually before, BST, also known as BrandSneakerTwins. Before I get into it, if you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, of course, subscribe, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, and remember, last but not least, follow the Instagram link is in the description at IRVStuffTV. And yeah, man, let's get into it. These took about I think about a week, give or take. They came double boxed. I forgot if these came bubble wrapped. I think just double boxed, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so still, regardless, box came in pretty good shape. Not really stressing, something just fell under the bed. I don't know what it was, but whatever. And yeah, so anyways, let's get into it, man. Great customer service. I've dealt with these guys a couple times now, like 3 to 4 times. So shoes are always on point, customer service is always good. So there's a website, email, Instagram is at BrandSneakerTwins, and the WhatsApp is right there as well. If you use the code IRView10, you can get $10 off with no minimum purchase. If the code is still active. If it's not and someone's trying to use it, just hit me up on Instagram and then I can message them. Hopefully they can activate it again. So yeah, and let's get into it, man. Not gonna take too long of these. I think I reviewed a pair in the past for the same friend, but actually these aren't even for one of my friends. These are for one of his friends, so he just bought them through me. And no, I don't sell anything, of course, so don't need people, you know, yo, do you sell stuff? And then I just get rated like that one guy on YouTube. He's still going now though, so yeah, I'm just stating, I don't sell anything. I don't condone purchasing any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money like I do with mine. I'm just showing y'all what I get with the money I spent. So yeah. Typical stuff you get in here, just paper. It says APE 37 final. I don't know if that's a batch number or whatever. There's all this information. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 GID. Glow, glow, glow. Size 11. Yeezy Boost 350. Got another Yeezy review on the way as well. They're the Yeezy Reels. Same friend, so yeah. Has a little stamp here. I don't really know what that's about. Has a sticker I tried to rip off. I'm probably gonna try to get at that later today again. So that's the box. You guys already know what's popping with the Yeezy boxes. 350 on the top, Boost on the side. Y'all already know. Let's put that to the side and take a look at the shoes real quick. So here they are, the Yeezy 350 glow in the darks. Kind of a clean colorway, not even in the front. Kind of clean. So just kind of like a lime green highlighter type color. You can see the real highlighter color coming through, which goes all the way to the bottom, yellow ass bottom of the shoe. The Boost actually feels really good. I was just playing with it, just while holding it. Feels really nice. So Boost is on point. I think this is one of the best sellers for Boost shoes, so keep that in mind if you guys want Boost. Not gonna say I recommend them because you know, because of what I just said earlier, but yeah, they're a good place to shop if you catch my drift. So if you guys get in trouble for anything though, not my problem. No one really has for just buying stuff. So made in China, Adidas. There's a size tag, so you guys can look at that. It says Adidas Yeezy. Got the 3M stripes. Got the pink translucent stripe as well, so you can see through that. Prime knit, looks good, feels good. Here is the size tag as well. Got the little RFID chip all up in there, so yeah, pretty legit when it comes to that sort of stuff. These Yeezys came proper, that's for sure. So that's the right pair. Stitching's good as well. Just so y'all can see proof. Stitching is nice and sharp. There's the back. Again, no loose threads. Stitching looks good. So definitely one of the top sellers for sure. I don't know how many of you guys have actually purchased through BST from seeing my first few videos on them, but limited experiences if you did purchase with them. Were they good or bad? There's the left shoe. Same idea. Got the stitch, nice and clean. It is fucking boiling in this room right now. Mad humid and shit too, and it's like there's still snow outside on the ground, so I don't even know what's happening anymore at this point with this weather. There's the Boost, again on the left pair. Going up all the way to the top where it says Adidas. Shape of the shoe looks good. I'm not really a fan of 350s anymore. That phase is kind of over for me. But I know some people still rock with them. So if you do, this is probably the spot you want to shop at. But there are like really, this is the easiest question to answer every time someone asks me this, sorry. What's the best place to shop at for X sneaker? And I'm like, take a look at the videos. If I reviewed them, then there you go. If I haven't reviewed them, I can't tell you because I don't have them, never got them. But generally, guys, if I have reviewed a site multiple times and I kept going back to them, they're a good site. Because there's been sites, like for example, I'll give you an example. If you guys are real OGs of the channel, you remember the site Kind Sneaker. I ripped them apart in one review, and I never bought from them again because their quality was so fucking trash that I was like, nah, not dealing with it, not having it. My boy Chills, Tony from Chills Kicks, he recently put out a video on this site called Swag Kick, and I was following them on Instagram for a minute now. Never bought from them, nothing like that. They never reached out to me, I was just following them. So yeah, and then I saw him post a review saying he wasn't happy with their service, so bam, that crosses one more seller off everyone's list. So just look over stuff like that. We're not lying here, we're not trying to finesse y'all. At the end of the day, we're just showing you guys what we buy, what we get, the quality we get. We don't get anything different from the general public, so don't think about it like that. Because we get shorted from sites that we trust sometimes too, and we're not happy with their quality. But there are sites, for example, if Kind Sneaker, like Swag Kick, that we've tried out personally, like as reviewers, and we haven't been happy with them. So I mean, we shout it to you guys so you guys know, don't shop there.